Hey guys, what's up? I got a new Jeep that's my daily driver. So we're going to kind of document the build of this Jeep. I'm going to want to do a lot of things, lift it up, bigger tires, different bumpers, things like that. So I wanted to kind of give you guys a taste for what it's starting as. It's basically stock right now with the exception of a couple little things that I've done. So I'll walk you through those real quick. And then again, we'll do these videos as we add things, kind of give a review of what we think of the products we used, links to the products below. And make sure you subscribe and like the videos and stay tuned for what we're going to do next. All right, so one of the first things I did just to make it mine a little bit was get rid of the stock, real tall gray spiral antenna that they've been using for 30 years. Just went with this little bullet antenna. I like the look of it. I think it's kind of cool. Mildly customized it to my liking. So again, I'll put a link to that in the listing below. Next thing I did was I had all the windows tinted. We are in the middle of Florida. It gets really, really hot. So got all the windows tinted to kind of keep the heat down with a nice ceramic tint, including the windshield. So if you tint the windshield, then it stops a lot of the UV rays from getting in and everything, just keeps it a heck of a lot cooler. It's hot down here. Next thing I did, which I don't know why more people don't do these, got these little vent visors that go in the channel of your window. Those actually allow you to crack your window that couple inches so that all that hot air can escape during the day. And if it happens to rain, you don't get any rain in your vehicle. Also, if you're driving around and it's raining real hard, you want some fresh air, you can crack them just to let that little bit of air in. So those are $40, I think, very well spent. And I'll put a link to those as well. Next thing I did, again, just to kind of make it my own, I don't like all of the plastic on these Wranglers, plastic fenders and bumpers and mirrors and everything. Everything's freaking black plastic. So I wanted to just take it, make it look a little bit richer, a little bit stronger. So I just bought these. They're just little metal inserts that you screw in. You drill a couple holes and you screw these into all the handles. I went with the ones that kind of match my paint color, but you can order them in any color you've ever seen, neon green, orange, red, black, doesn't matter. You can order them in any color, and I think they make it look a little bit nicer, a little bit less cheap on the door handle side. And the last thing I've done so far is, of course, got to advertise for the business. So I got rid of that stock Jeep cover and had that custom made. Again, I'll put a link to that down below where I had that made. It's about $90, and now I get to advertise my business as I drive around, and it looks cool. So that's it for now. We'll do more videos as we add more parts on here, and you guys can follow along for the build.